presentation from XPM, a Valiantis company. This time to show you more about basic page editing and updating. We're going to talk a little bit more about publishing versus drafting, moving pages, and inline comments. This one will be pretty quick. So I have my test page for editing that I made, and now I've decided I want to move it to just the main section of my Confluence space. I've got my general content here. If I want to make any new page that just goes into the top of the content area, I can just click that button over there. That's great. But when I made this page, I just hit the create button when I was on that page, so it made this a child page. I want to fix that. Instead of having to go into the space settings, I can actually just click and drag. If I drag up to here, that's not quite where I want. If it's really subtle, but I can get that line there, and now I let go there, and now this page is no longer a child page underneath our class agenda, and I can also drag it so that it is below and not a child page as well. So you can quickly rearrange content that way and have pretty much whatever page tree structure that you want. Before you put too much time into that, of course, make it make sense, but everything comes down to the search bar, honestly. So make sure that you're using those keywords at the top of your pages so that people are finding what they're looking for quickly. Now, for inline comments. Not when you're on the edit page screen, but when you're just on the view page screen. So see, I've got the pencil there. I'm not in edit mode, right? This is where we can make inline comments. So if you click and drag over some text on a Confluence page, you get this menu that shows up. In the next video, we're going to talk about creating a Jira issue from text in Confluence, which is super cool. But right now, we're going to click on the comment button. And what this is going to do is, well, we need to talk about what kind of donuts. I'm going to move myself over. But I spelled it correctly this time. And then when we hit save, it shows up as a comment up here on the box. The person who is in control of the page, they get a notification of the comments if they haven't turned those off in the personal settings. That person can then respond. They can mention other people for collaboration. Right? And so when you're done collaborating, then you can resolve the comment. You can react to the comment as well. When it's done, then it's considered taken care of and it's in the page history, which is great. So that way you are collaborating on Confluence content, reacting to each other that way. But remember, you have to do that on the view page, and you know you're on the view screen of a Confluence page if the pencil is up there waiting for you to enter edit mode. Okay, so that is this quick video with these two topics, just moving page content by clicking and dragging, and then doing inline comments on published content. Thanks, I hope this was helpful.